This rusty old pilot attempts to fly an old aeroplane. I actually have a PPL, that's a private pilot's license, albeit miles and miles out of date. So I'm here today, going to meet up with my friend Craig. I'm going to go up for a flight with him and have a little play with the controls and see how I get on with it. We're over here in Brighton, and if I show you behind me here, yeah, that's the magnificent terminal here at Shoreham, Brighton Airport. It's all in the Art Deco style, if you have a look. So I've just had a message from our flying instructor Craig, and as usual when you're in the UK, we've got a good dose of the British weather. It's been lovely sunny days for quite a few days now, but today is quite overcast. We have a cloud base of 1,000 feet, and normally if we go flying, that's probably not quite high enough. We normally at least a couple of thousand feet to do anything interesting, but it may lift a bit later. I've been flying now for quite a long time. It's in a matter of years really, and partly due to my eye problem. So we're going to meet up with Craig. He's a qualified pilot and qualified flying instructor, so he'll be able to sit beside me, as it were, and make sure that I don't break something. Looked bad earlier on, but now it's actually looking a whole lot better. So let's go and see if we can find Craig, then we're going to find the aeroplane and then see if we can go flying. Okay, there we are guys, there's the controls of our aeroplane. You notice on this one's got like a steering wheel. I'm used to a plane with a stick in the middle, or stick between your knees. So although this sort of steers it similarly, it's not the same as a car. In fact, when it's on the ground you have to steer, you can see it down there, but you actually steer with your feet. Yeah, it's a matter of interest, I'm sitting here on the left hand side of the aeroplane, as you can see, which basically means I am, at least in theory, I'm not sure about it today, but at least I am the pilot in command, albeit under tuition from my instructor here. So I'm in charge. Can you imagine that for an aeroplane? There we go, the boss is here.
Yeah,
but we're both too fat.
Extra one.
Both too fat for the aircraft of this size, I'll tell you.
Flip up.
Whoa, and there we go. Let's make it look.
Like a Spitfire sound going.
Yeah. we've done it. There we are, there's our steed, you can see it behind me there. And we've been out flying after not been flying for a long time. So there we are. I will catch up with you again. Thank you for looking at the channel. Thank you for coming on to Swin Feeling Good. My name's Swin, I'm feeling good. I hope you are too, and bye bye for now. In case you don't believe me, here it is. That's my actual pilot's license. There you go, there's my actual license. It always amazes me that for something which is basically takes you so long to get and costs you quite a lot of money to get, is actually not a lot more than a little photocopy folded in four and stuck in a piece of plastic. It's got some security measures on it, and I suppose not too many people try to fake it. But there you go.